today I'm going to be showing you how to make a training greatsword for $10. It's pretty crazy, right? I know. Bravo. Bravo me. Bravo me. $10, that's right. That's pretty good because the style of this, Montante, is about $450. That's how much I can find it, like, cheap-wise, you know. And since I don't have $450, and probably neither do you, we're going to be making a training version that only costs you $10 without the tape. And yeah, it's a little lighter, but it is correct, like proportionally. You can get some pretty good skills off of this thing. Also, you won't cut yourself, which is important. Plus, you can hit your friends with it. It's safe. Let's start off by measuring 17 inches on our handle PVC pipe and then marking it so that we know what to put into here, how much we should. Because if we don't put anything, it might snap. Or if we're putting too much, it's just going to be a little wonky. So this is about, let's check this out. This is about, let's go 7.5 or 6.5 inches. Alright, let's measure 6.5 inches down. It should be just about here. So you can't see that paper. Just about here, let's mark that. There we go. Now we're gonna take our heavy duty hairdryer and warm this baby up like a lot. Gentlemen, we officially got her in. Huh. Oh, unplug this. That could have been bad. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm gonna go swing this. Alright, next, let's find the length of our average guard. This is about 16. Let's find half. Half of 16 is, math is fun, that means 8. Find it. Make a mark. Next, drill a hole in the middle. Get your best friend to drill a bigger one. Okay, gentlemen, we have officially got ourselves a garden. Now, what I realized might happen is this might become uneven, and the point might be a little, yeah, as you see this side right here is a little longer, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to sand it down with a file, should I say file it down, with a file, to get it even. You can also use like a belt sander or whatever, but I just got this handy, so let's rock and roll. Now to fix the helicopter, mark a little dot in the middle, like so. Remember those roofing nails we were talking about? Make some rivets. Now, I'm not gonna call this pretty, but well, it's functional, works. All tight. Alright, now we're gonna do something very similar, and we're gonna go mark where our little edging will be here. Don't chew on those, kids. Yeah, we're basically just gonna, put this little thing here, like that. To be fair, I don't know what it's called. I should probably look it up, but we're good. So basically what you did for the guard, just do for this. Okay, so what we got right here is we just finally put it in, and you can glue it if you would like, but mine's kind of secure, so I'm just gonna put the rivet in, and then I'm considering myself done. Okay, so you can finish here, and this is functional. It's gonna work and everything. It's correct dimensions. And you don't really need like the tips or anything, but if you want to go an extra step, make it look a little nicer, don't want to poke your friends too hard with it, keep watching. Okay, gents, time for the fun. Get your hot glue gun, turn her on, and let's start gluing. Alright, let's start gluing. Like how mine's gonna end up looking, this is what I use. I use hockey tape and electrical tape, just in case you didn't know. And that's about everything. Thanks for watching this video, and oh yes, if you go into the description of this video, I have a link for the Guild of Adventurers. It's this guild I started where me and you, team up and we can get your dreams and my dreams to come true. You know, if you ever wanted to grow up and fight bears in the woods with giant swords with your best friends and come home to a nice cozy campfire in a house you built yourself on acres and acres of land, or if you just have a really good dream that a lot of people put down, we're gonna help you out. You're gonna help me out. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you want to, and farewell, friend.